Hey, Chris here. Welcome back to the Investing Boss channel. So in this video, I want to share with you my next Dubai property investment. Not only am I going to share it with you, but I'm actually going to deposit money into my stake account and make the investment live in this video. After we've made the investment, I'll then share with you how many properties I have in my portfolio and how much rental income I'll be earning from said properties. Before we get into it though and jump on the laptop, just like to mention the Investing Boss Facebook group. I'll leave a link down in the description if you're not yet joined up yet. But having said that, getting onto the laptop here, I'm going to share with you which property I'm going to be choosing out of these three that are currently available here on the site. Then I'll be taking you for a virtual tour and I'll be making that investment. But what I wanted to go through really quickly, because on the last video I did about stake, there was a few comments about, is the site trustworthy? How long have they been going? And so on and so forth. And I wanted to just mention a few things about them, speaking about trustworthiness. So there's actually been 50,000 plus downloads of the stake app so far since they've launched. And that's just downloads of the app. Of course, they have more users than that may have not downloaded the app and just use the website version of their site. But it has a 4-star review, so 4 out of 5 there, 4.0 to be exact. And if we jump over onto this page here, this is the About section on their site here. You can see the team there and the co-founders there in the middle of the group there. And there's actually, so they've founded in 2021, very, very new platform, just 2 years old, 32 team members, and over 116 million dirhams, so AED, funded, value of properties funded. And if we go over to the exchange calculator here, 116 million dirhams is 26.5 million pounds. So that's not a small amount there. That's a decent amount of money that's funded properties through the stake platform. I actually only found out about stake recently because I'd been on a holiday to the UAE and visited Dubai and Abu Dhabi. And because I invest a lot in the stock market, my phone, my search apps must have realized, okay, this person's interested in investing in stock, so they've just been to Dubai, let's show them this app, and that's how I found out about stake. It was also recommended to me by a friend that's thinking of moving to Dubai, so he also recommended that I check it out and basically have a look at it. But now we've been through all that, let's check out the available properties page here. And in the last video, you may have remembered me saying that I wanted to invest in this 1-bedroom apartment in the Old Town in downtown Dubai. Now, there's actually 27% funded of that property now. There's a guaranteed 1 year of rental income that you'll earn from it because there's a tenant currently in the property. But this property here, so this 3-bed in Trident Grand Residence Dubai Marina, has just become available on the site. So that's a £685,000 3-bed apartment. And I really, really wanted to check this out. It's also rented, so you get that 1 year guaranteed rental income. But let's go ahead, check it out. If we click virtual tour here, that'll load up the Matterport site here, and we can click on play, and then we can load that up in 3D. So it's fantastic how it does this. You don't need to visit the properties. You can just load it up here. So here we have the front door. And as you come in, of course, you've got the usual alarm system and intercom set up there. Then on the right-hand side, you've got this very small toilet area there. Looks very, very nice there. Then here we have the the kitchen. Nice sized kitchen, of course. You'd expect that sort of size kitchen for a 3-bed apartment. And then we can go back over to the living room, so obviously combined living dining room. Can go over to this view here. No access to the balcony, unfortunately, from here, but we can actually go up to the window and check out the view outside there. Then if we turn around, walk back over here, what I didn't realize is I thought this was the bedrooms down here, and it is. But here's the first bedroom, so just the door next to the kitchen there. So you can come in here, and firstly we can go into this little bathroom here, ensuite. So full toilet, bath, everything, shower included there, and wardrobe. Then we can go over into the bedroom and see that it has quite a nice view there. If we check out this view here, so there's your view out your bedroom window there. And like I said in the last video, obviously we're not investing in this property to live in it ourselves, but we do really want to make sure it's like nice inside and good views, because we'll be relying on monthly income from tenants paying the rent on this. So if it's if the views aren't that great, and there's other options here, you don't just have to go for anything. You can be picky and choose what you want. But here's another bedroom here. Again, Great view there. If city views are your thing, I really like that view there out onto the buildings. And then if we come back here, we can go and see that this also has the ensuite, so full bathroom setup in there. Then if we go back here, we can check out that third bedroom, and that will finish us off for this tour here. So we've got the third bedroom, again, ensuite bathroom here. If we just go ahead in here, full toilet, bidet, and shower and everything like that. It's great. And we'll just go back out to the bedroom. And what I really wanted to show you here, so here's the bedroom. You've got these great sort of surround windows here looking all out. So that's your view from your bed there, looking all out here. But what's really nice here is you can actually go out onto this balcony, and yeah, that's your view from your sort of little sofa here on the side. You could be sat out there with your coffee and like looking around there. Really, really nice view. But that's going to do it for the tour. We'll jump out of here and we'll get investing into this property because it's one that I'm really, really excited about. Now, to invest in this, all we need to do, scroll down here. Yeah, you can see rented. It's currently occupied, professionally managed by the stake team. 1 year of rental guarantee, and that's going to be a projected net yield of 6.44% there, which the average usually is around that 5.5% to 6.5%. So this one is on the higher end there, and that's what we're going to be guaranteed to earn for the first year there, regardless, you know, the tenant is already in paying the rent. We can then scroll down further, and there's additional info here on the property itself. I won't go into all of that. It's just sort of additional information about the area and different sort of things that are around, amenities and so on and so forth in that area. You can see the financials breakdown here of the property price, the transaction cost, the stake fee of 1.5%. So the total investment cost of £748,000. The annual net income from the rent there, after taking out service charges, management and maintenance fees, is £44,107. So, of course, if you had the entire investment cost amount, you could put that 748,000 in, you would be earning the 44,107 in rent. But of course, we're not putting in that much money, we're putting in a portion of it, so we'll get a portion of the rent. Now, the funding timeline on this one, because it's already rented out, there's no applying for any short-term letting licenses. They're just going to get the funding closed here, hopefully by the 8th of May. Then the title deeds will be applied for and emailed out to everyone. This should happen by the 29th of May. And then we'll be getting our first rental payment from this property on the 25th of May. Now, you can see here on the right-hand side, we're expecting an annualized return of 10.35%. There's currently 59 days left because it's only just been listed. And 29 investors have already invested in it. So, yeah, that's why there's the 5% funded. Now, if we want to invest, so I personally want to invest 2,000 AED, 2,000 dirhams into this, which is £460 at the exchange rate. So all we're going to do is just click Add to Cart. Now, you can see there it breaks down your monthly rental is expected to be £2 a month from that 460 invested, which is that around that 6% there, which is fantastic. That's exactly what I'm after. Appreciation is going to be around, this is sort of estimated, £88 over 5 years of holding there. Value appreciation projection is based on 5 years, it says. After you've read through that and you're happy with it, all we need to do is click Proceed to Payment. And there you go, I've verified the payment on my banking app, and you can see investment confirmed. So now we can go ahead and click on View My Portfolio. So the first part here on the portfolio, you can see that I have 4,217 dirhams, so £969 in the account there. That's invested. And you can see here how I made my first deposit there on the 26th, or my first investment, should I say, on the 26th of February. And now we've just made this next one here on the 9th of March there. So over time, what I want to see is that graph just growing and growing. And then when I get the rental payments in, I'll of course reinvest that into more shares of property and just get that compounding growth and just grow this to be something really, really big and just share it with you here on the channel. So you can tell from my voice probably that I'm really excited about this. But yeah, we can see now 2 properties in the portfolio, and currently 0% annualized rental yield because we have not had any rental payments yet. The value appreciation on the first property, so when this property here, active investment, that's been fully funded, and we're just waiting on the documents to clear through on that before we start earning rent from it. That's gone up by 1.3% in value already. And then, of course, this one I've just invested in with £460. That expected rent is already there because it's already rented out. So £2.26 a month is what I'll be getting from that one. That will go from live investments to active once it's fully funded, which I expect that to be in the next sort of 2 to 3 weeks. They're typically not having to wait till all the way at the end. They're getting funded quite quickly. You can check out my latest upload by clicking here at the side of me. If you enjoyed this video, please do press the like button. And as usual, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.